online shoppers, especially from Shopee, I got this item for 500 pesos only because I have free shipping discounts and Shopee coins. This is the 8-cube bookshelf that is said to be easy to assemble and sturdy based on the feedback. So, let's check it out. The inclusions in the package are the interlayer non-woven fabric that are shiny on one side, plastic connectors, steel pipes, and an instruction sheet. There are two-way connectors for this shelf that goes here. Just fit in the pipes and the fabric. I recommend you use a hammer or something to lightly press the pipes down to the connectors. Yes, we got a pair of hand gloves too, but I'm not comfortable with gloves, so I took it off and continue with what I'm doing here. By the way, I didn't really follow the instruction sheet, so it's up to your own techniques on how you assemble this shelf. Oh, actually, this shelf is 358 pesos only, but with the shipping discount and Shopee coins, I only paid 401 pesos, not 500 as what I've said earlier. Sorry! This storage unit is perfect to organize your items and save your space. Great for office, dorm, or children's room. It has high storage capacity to store a variety of items, like toys, books, or something light. It can also be easily configured to best suit your storage needs. And you can adjust the layer and grid quantity. This is suitable for small rooms and walk-in closets. The storage unit can be placed vertically and horizontally. Done! These shoe boxes are from Shopee too. And these boxes here are also reused and I just cover them with those glossy wallpapers I use in my kitchen cabinets. Link below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.